Modeling division. So we're going to talk about division by sharing. And when we share things equally, then we are dividing them. So let's take this little girl. She has 12 markers. And she wants to share them with 6 of her friends. So she shares them into 6 equal groups. And she has 2 in each group. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, and 2. There are 6 groups of 2. So you can write a division sentence like this. The number of markers divided by the number of groups, which is 6 kids, equals 2. So now this is an example that we're going to use just to show you how you can do division by sharing. So this one says to first make 2 equal groups with the circles. And so I've done that. And now what I'm going to do is I am going to move the dots and I'm going to equal share. So first I've got to change. So I've got my 2 circles and I'm going to equal share. So 1 here and 1 here. 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 That one shouldn't be there. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There are 14 dots. So I'm going to put that. This is how many dots, the number of dots divided by the number of groups. 2 groups. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the number that is in each group is 7. Now, on the next slide, it's going to show you how that works, just like I had it. So now I'm going to do another one. This one says first make 3 equal groups and use your mouse to move the circles around. So you're going to be doing this in Jamboard. I'm doing it in slides right now so that I can move them around, but you're going to be doing them in Jamboard. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dots. So right here it says number of dots, 9. All right. Now I'm going to equal share them in three groups. So 1 there, 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 and 1 there, until they're all gone. And now I've gotten rid of all of them. There's the same amount in each group. That's called equal sharing. So 9 divided by 3, that's how many groups I have. And how many is in each group? 3. I'll do one more. First make 2 equal groups and then write the division sentence. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be 6 there. All right, so 6. I have 6 dots. And now I'm going to share them equally. 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. So I divided them into 2 equal groups, and there are 3 in each group. So when you do your assignment in Jamboard, you're going to click here. So click here, and it says, would you like to make a copy? And you're going to answer yes. And then here's the Jamboard. I'm going to make my screen a little bit bigger. So here's the first problem in your Jamboard. It has 2 equal groups. You can move these around. And then write the division sentence. And there's another one. First make one group. And you're going to divide this equally into one group. So think about what that means. And then the last one is first make 4 equal groups. So you have 4, and you have these dots. You can just move them around with your finger and then make sure and write the division sentence. Then you're going to make sure and share it with me. You can start typing my name. There it is. And then just share it with me.